This is Kristen Z, ABC 7 News with the latest on the Camp Fire. Crews from several different agencies are attacking the Camp Fire in Butte County from the air right now. Helicopter pilot Matt Wright shot this video as he approached the massive blaze, which raged across the area at a rate of roughly 80 football fields a minute. Check out the massive plumes of smoke being generated by the fire. As of Friday morning, the fire has burned more than 70,000 acres, destroying an estimated 2,000 homes. Thousands more are threatened. Officials say at least 5 people have been killed. And pilot Matt Wright is one of more than 2,300 fire personnel attacking the campfire.